Hello, today we are going to unbox Omron automatic blood pressure monitor, model number Hem-7120. Today we'll just look at the features. Its cuff wrapping aid is included, hypertension indicator, irregular heartbeat detection, last memory, body movement detection. And let's just look at the specifications of the product. The measurement method is oscillometric method, and the blood pressure ranges from 20 to 280 mm mercury, and the weight is around 250 gram. Underneath it we can find the price of the product. The price of the product is around 2680 rupees, but you can get it for 2000 rupees in most online outlets. So that we have the specifications and the features covered, we'll just get into the unboxing of the product. Inside the box we have the arm cuff and the measuring device. First we'll take out the arm cuff, which is wrapped in plastic. There is Omron branding in with this arm cuff, which this can be, and also this is of ash color. That is the air tube through which the machine pumps the air into the arm cuff, and that's the air plug, and that is used to attach the current to the machine. Now coming to the arm cuff, the size can be adjusted according to your personal requirement. The directions are shown with some diagram how to use and instructions of placing it around the arm, and that's the tube and Omron branding. It supports from 22 centimeter to 32 centimeter of arm circumference. It's written latex free there. And now we'll just move to the battery. We have 4 AA batteries which can be used for powering the machine. Now just let's take out the machine, which is wrapped in air bubble. Once we remove the air bubble, it's again wrapped in a piece of plastic. We can take that plastic out, and it's white color, very simplistic and minimal design with a simple LCD screen. And that's the air jack, where we insert that air plug from the tube, and underneath it you can find the serial number of the product and the battery compartment, where we put the battery inside. And you can also use a 6-volt DC adapter for using it with the external power as well. Just one simple start stop button and the quality pass label. Now let's just remove the battery cover and insert the 4 AA batteries as indicated in the battery compartment, and then replace the battery cover. It's just simple directions. You just insert it according to the signs in the battery compartment and just close it, and you are ready to take for measurement. As you can see, it's powering up and the display is switching to on position, and it's showing that E1 sign because it's an error code. That means that air tube is not inserted into the machine. You can take 3 readings with this, one systolic pressure, diastolic pressure, and the pulse of the patient as well. So we'll just take it for a spin and see how it works. First you need to insert the air plug into the air jack, and we need to find a patient now. We'll just, before that, we'll check out what else is inside the box. We also have a warranty card that comes in the box that gives us the information about the app that can be used with the product and the how to claim the extra 1 year warranty, because with the box we get only 2 years of warranty. We can extend it to a total 3 years with the online registration of the product on their website. And we also have the user manual with the inside the box. It's a pretty long and detailed user manual which will take a long time if we go through it, but if you are interested, I'll just show you what all things are mentioned in the box, in the user manual as well. So if you are interested in any of this, please feel free to pause the video and take a look at what's mentioned in the box. All information on how to use the product and how to maintain it and the error code are all mentioned. To get the best results, avoid bathing, drinking alcohol or caffeine, smoking, exercising and eating for 30 minutes before taking a measurement. Rest for at least 5 minutes before taking the measurement, because stress can raise blood pressure. Also avoid wearing tight clothes if you are going to take the measurement. So please keep that in mind before taking the measurement, so that we can get accurate good results. Put your arm through the cuff lobe, and the bottom edge of the arm cuff should be 1 to 2 cm above the elbow. About the tightness of the arm cuff, make sure you have room for at least one finger like this that can go through, so that it's not that too tight or not too loose, so that the measurement can be accurate. And also try to keep that air tube at the center of the arm and near to the heart, and there is an arrow under the air tube must be centered on the middle of your inner arm. Make sure the back of your patient is also supported and the arm is also given support to reduce stress and to keep the patient relaxed, even for better accurate reading. Now that the patient is in position and is in a relaxed state, we are going to turn on the machine to see the reading. So you can see the machine is started and it's pumping air pressure through the tube and to get the pulse and all the other readings. It will go up and it will as you can see, the numbers are coming down. Once it's settled, it will come with the result. You can see in the monitor that near to that pulse it's showing that it's okay. That means the reading is taken, and here is the final results. That means it's 130 systolic pressure, means it's a little bit on the higher side. It's hypertension stage 1. Diastolic pressure is also 94, and the pulse you can see as well. Will also include heart rate chart for men and women, so that you will get a better idea of what are the best pulse rate. To be on the safe side, it's always better to have a pulse that's under 80. That's easy to remember, so keep that in mind. And we also have a feature with this machine that if you press it for like 5 to 15 seconds, that it will come up with the last reading, so you can take the reading if you forgot. It will indicate with that sign and the OK button. This is the saved reading feature. Now let's look at the mobile app, Omron mobile app. There is a camera button. Just scan it like this and it will record the reading to the mobile app. There is no other functionality. It's just to keep a track of the readings that you took with the machine. Other than that, there is no use. So it's handy if you want to remember how you were doing in terms of the numbers with the systolic pressure and details. Other than that, it's really handy to have, so don't forget to use this. You can download it from the Play Store. Just search for Omron Connect mobile app. This is just the warranty details. Now let's look at the error messages that can pop up in the machine. Here are the some of the errors that can be seen with the Omron pressure monitor. E2, E3, E4, E5, E6. If you see any of these error codes while using the blood pressure monitor, to check with the manual that came with the product. So just showing you one error code that is E1, since we don't have that air plug not inserted. This is how it shows. If you also want to know more of the technical side of things, we'll just look at the technical data. Just go through this. All technical details, specifications are mentioned here. So if you'd like to see in detail, refer this section also on the manual. Always take 3 readings and with a 5 minutes interval to get the average reading, and that's the best practice. And also I really like the product because it's easy to use and has really important functionality, and the readings are also really accurate. If you are interested in buying this product, I will include a link in the description below. Do check that out. I will also include a link for the adapter and the mobile app that can be used with this device. So please check the description box for those links. If you have enjoyed the video and if you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video. I hope you have a great day, and thank you for watching the video.